Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can change the ZeroClaw bot API key and the model that you would like to use as your ZeroClaw brain. Also, if you guys would like to install your ZeroClaw bot on a VPS, I will leave a hosting or VPS link in the description below, and that's the VPS provider that I'm also using for all of my ZeroClaw and OpenClaw installations, and that link will give you extra 20% off. But now let's get right into this tutorial. So here we'll be changing the API key and the model that we'll be using for our ZeroClaw. So to make it easier for you guys, I made a full written guide with all the commands that I'll be using in the description below, so you can follow along in real time. But essentially, here is the first command that you would need to execute. So this will be the command that will change the provider. So as you can see right here, default provider, I will set it to Gemini. But of course, you can set it to whatever you want by just changing this provider to any provider that you would like, or any provider that ZeroClaw supports. Now in that document that I mentioned, I will also list all the providers that ZeroClaw supports, so you can just change it to one of those providers. But I'll stick to Gemini for this specific video. Now, once you have the command pasted over, just go ahead and press enter to initiate it, and that will change the provider. You should get no output in the terminal. That's completely normal. And next up, let's go ahead and select the model of that provider that we would like to use. So each LLM provider has a ton of models. For example, ChatGPT has GPT-5, GPT-4, and so on. And in this step, we would need to select the specific model of that set provider. So this is the command that we will be using. And here, of course, you would just need to change the model's name to the model that you would like to use. An easy way to do this is just you paste the command in a notepad and then just delete this and change it to whichever model you would like. I will also add some example models in that guide for this video. But once you have the command pasted over and selected your desired model, just go ahead and press enter, and that will change the model. You should also get no output for this command. And lastly, of course, we would need to add an API key for that model and provider that we just set up. Now for that command, go ahead and open up your notepad and then just paste it over right here. From there, you would just need to change this section right here, your API key, with your API key. So because I'm using Google Gemini, I will just go to my Google AI Studio and get my API key, which I will paste right here. Once you have your API key, just highlight this section and then just paste over your API key, just like this. Next up, just select everything and go ahead and copy it. Then we'll just paste it in the terminal, and it should look like this. So let's go ahead and press enter to change the API key. And for this one, you should also get no output. But just so we're sure that everything works, let's go ahead and check if the changes are made. And we do this with this command right here. So if you have set up everything correctly, you should get this message. So after initiating this command, it gave us the API key is changed to this, which we set up. The default provider is Gemini, which we set up here. And the default model is Gemini 2.0 Flash. And lastly, to cement everything, just go ahead and restart the gateway or the daemon with this command right here. And there we go. Now your ZeroClaw bot is running with this new configuration we just set up. And essentially, guys, that's how you can change the ZeroClaw LLM API key and replace the brain of your ZeroClaw bot. If you found this video helpful, you can watch my other ZeroClaw and OpenClaw tutorials, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.